What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad you are tuning into the Rogue Vet here, aka Jared. Alright guys, I know it's been a minute since I've come out with the video. I do apologize. Life just gets crazy, things pop up, things happen, you know, sometimes they slow down, sometimes they pick up. We did a lot for a while, but it's okay guys, I'm still here, don't worry. I appreciate all the stuff that y'all do for me with all my social medias, my Instagram, my YouTube, my TikTok, stuff like that. Don't worry, I'll continue to post here as much as I can, but like I said, life just gets busy and you know, there's things that come up and you just got to attend to them. But anyway, as a new note, we did hit over 3,100 subscribers on YouTube. So thank y'all for subscribing, thank y'all for commenting. And guys, I do have something to tell y'all in this video. It may come to a surprise to probably many of y'all, but I've been thinking about this for a while and I think I'm finally gonna pull the trigger and do it. So, as you know, me and the vet here that you've seen throughout the years kind of transformed, not crazy or nothing, but you've seen it when it was stock. If you've looked back to back in 2020 when I got the Corvette, and you've seen it how it was before. But pretty much, guys, basically what I'm trying to say is I'm selling the car. Okay, I'm selling the car. I know that's a shock to y'all. So if any of y'all are interested in buying this car from me, let me know. Put your comments down in the YouTube, put your comments down in Instagram and TikTok if y'all are interested. Because like I said, this car is going up for sale. And if y'all watch the videos, y'all know exactly what's done to this car. Y'all know exactly how well I keep clean and maintain this vehicle here. So everything that you see on it is basically gonna come with it. So if y'all love this, I know a lot of y'all do, it's for sale here. So just has, I think, right around 29,000 miles for all who are new. It's a 2014 Corvette C7 Stingray Z51 with a 2LT option. Automatic, 29,000 miles, no issues at all. Everything has pretty much been done by me as far as aesthetics go, or with the help of friends. Same with the exhaust, and the dyno tune was done here at Rated R Performance here in San Antonio. Makes 430 wheel horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels. So that's not to the motor, to the crank, that's to the wheels, okay? So not bad, given just the, you know, the few things that it's done as far as full exhaust, ported throttle body, and throttle controller, and then the dyno tune. So, guys, but anyway, my aspirations basically for doing this is I want to upgrade to a Z06 and the C7 Z06, not the C8. I don't have that much money. Hopefully not yet, but that, you know, that's the goal for everyone, is to obtain, you know, something like that. But anyway, so the Z06, the C7 Z06 is basically what I'm wanting to upgrade from this one. Now this one's been great, but it's always been a dream of mine to have the C7 Z06 because it's just a great platform to build off of. And I know for a while I had basically discussed, you know, get into Magnuson, cam, stuff like that for this vehicle. And you can do it. People have done it already. You can look up YouTube videos and stuff like that on TikTok, Instagram, yada, yada, yada. I just feel like, given, you know, that vehicle, just the C7 Z06 is just a great platform. And my max that I pretty much want to do is make is like 700 wheel. I know you can do it with this. You just got to be careful with the engine and supporting mods and stuff like that. But with a C7 Z06, man, you can get 700 wheel easy on that vehicle. Easy. And I'm not trying to get to 1,000. I'm not trying to do nothing. Oh, you're going to want more. No, I'm pretty much, I've driven in a 700 wheel Z06. I like that power band. It's pretty good. That's what's my goal is basically, is to just 700 wheel Z06, still on pump 93 if possible. I don't want to go to E. I'm fine with not running all that, you know, crazy stuff. I just, maybe a ported stock blower, pulley, intake, you know, maybe some headers or something like that. Nothing crazy. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. Just easy mods to make 700. But anyway, guys, I'm going into the build list for that. Like I said, this video is basically just to say I am selling the vehicle here. Okay. So again, if y'all are interested, it's been coming. I've been thinking about it. I've been holding it off. I haven't said anything, but this is the first time I'm actually posting anything about selling the Rogue Vet, the red Stingray that y'all know me by. I mean, I've had it since 2020. So it's been almost 3 years since I've purchased it. It was right before COVID hit. And man, guys, I mean, like I said, I told myself I wasn't going to sell it. I was going to keep it for a while, but she's been good to me. whoever ends up taking it next will be very happy with how I've maintained it, the looks, the mods. I mean, everyone always says, "Oh man, that car looks so clean," all that, you know. So, but the time has come. I need to go ahead. I need to sell it. I do want to use the proceeds from this to basically get the Z06, and I'm gonna be looking for some deals. So, if y'all have some that are good, I'll just use the proceeds for this and use it towards the new Z06. Of course, it's got to be the same color. Okay, I will not take anything other than red, just like this one, the torque red. It's got to be the same color. It's gonna have it's basically gonna look like this, but just a Z06, essentially, guys. I mean, it's literally, I'm gonna buy the same exact color. It's gonna have all this, the arrow that mine has, the Z06 arrow. It's gonna have all that on there, but just the Z06, just the Z06. Now, I've been looking, and it is harder to find a Z06 C7 with the red interior. 2LT is what I prefer. I don't really prefer the 3LT because of the issues with the peeling on the top of the dash, I believe, in those Z06s. So I'm trying to find one that's red because I've just come to love the red that's in this car. The red 2LT leather interior, and see the red. But anyway, guys, so that is the video pretty much for this section. Now, I know I've been talking for a minute about this, but don't worry. I'm going to go to my buddy's house. He's going to get his car detailed, part of Lone Star Corvettes. And I know I haven't really been, like I said, posting videos on anything regarding, my crew, Lone Star Corvettes, or myself. Like I said, just been pretty busy with life, job, and, everything that's outside of the car here, Lone Star Corvettes and anything like that. So, but don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. The videos will just slow, but I'm still looking. But hey, think about it. If I trade or sell the vehicle and get the Z06, man, we're gonna make contact with that video because a couple of my buddies are wanting to do the same thing as well. I'm not gonna say who, but that's another topic for another video. But anyway, guys, so all right, guys. But anyway, I'm about to head out. Just get another clean shot of the vehicle here before we actually take off. It's just been kind of sitting for a few, actually the last couple weeks. Just haven't been able to be driven due to work and life and stuff like that. But we're gonna go meet up with a couple guys, and he's gonna get his car detailed. So hopefully it'll make a fun little video. Hopefully it doesn't go too long. Again, I apologize for just the talking and the ranting, but I just, wanted to just kind of speak on what I'm gonna do with this vehicle. So if y'all are interested, again, if y'all are interested in purchasing this vehicle from me, message me and YouTube, message me on Instagram and TikTok, and that's how y'all can get a hold of me. So maybe we can work out a deal, and this maybe can be in y'all's garage one day. All right, let's hop in. I was gonna drop in. Sorry about the low light. Might be a little gritty. Starts right up. Look at that, 28,999. So right about 29,000 miles. Crazy, crazy. Safety first. All right, guys, so we are here at his place. He's getting his car did. His car is cleaning up, getting his car did. We're getting that foam bath. I need to do this for mine because it's dirty. Look at that. Brazzers. I'm just playing. There she goes. Alright guys, so as Keen was getting his whip clean, I took the liberty of dusting mine off with the McGuire's. And you probably can't notice, but she's looking a little bit cleaner than what she started in the video. So she's glistening, looks super clean. And remember, whoever's gonna end up owning this is gonna be yours. Look at that shine. Look at the shine off of the glass and the paint. It's literally just glowing. It's glowing. Look at that gloss shine. Shine, shine, shine. All right, and here's the finished product. Looking real shiny. Like your boy. You see the reflection. All thanks to that man right there. I know you don't want to be in the video, so you're only there for a second. You'll be all right. That looks nice. And that man right there too. What up? Alright guys, we're back home and this is pretty much it. I didn't want the video to go too long, but y'all saw some action. So anyway, this is the Rogue Vette out, aka Jared. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. I appreciate everything y'all do for me. But until the next video, I'll see y'all later. Peace.